Orengi inkogwate ogeni tukithina mbere Minister wa UKARI wa ndani na mibango ya thirikari Profesa Kindiki na tumite kanukia kiria marima WAAMBA maria makurikana gucokera mataunini na gucumbura antu akiariria andiki mansto Jumatatu muthenya nja ya nyumba ya Harambee mucii wa Nairobi. Profesa Kindiki ARIUGA Ntumiiri Ya Mama ni mukinyirite na riu borisi makarwa na boko baterie Kindiki nkuruki na kanukitie ati kuongereka kwa AAMBA muno mucii wa Nairobi ni mugomo wa MAABICA ma UKARI akiugaga ona ni mambiritie mibango ya kumongera misara.
Made by His Excellency the President to ensure that we rid our country from a gang of a few citizens who think that they have the wherewithal to dare and even try to hold fellow citizens at ransom. We are rolling out an unprecedented response against criminals, and we are going to go to their hideouts. We will look for the criminals and do to them what the law says we do to criminals in accordance with the law of our country and all other applicable international laws. We have information where they have been retreating to. We know the challenges that have been associated in the past in getting to them. We want to make it clear as government that we are coming to dismantle not only the criminals themselves, but also to bring down the entire chain that has been the cattle or livestock rustling industry. In the last few weeks, these marauding gangs of few citizens have dared the government of the Republic of Kenya. And the message they have been trying to send has reached us. We have heard them. These criminals want us to believe that they have the wherewithal, the sophistication, and the endurance to withstand the lawful response of the government on crime, especially organized crimes and crimes bordering on crimes against humanity. We are coming for you, effective immediately, and the response will be sustained until we set free our country from the fangs of bandits, criminals, murderers, and profiteers of bloodshed. We have witnessed increasing criminal activity within the city of Nairobi. A small group of criminals armed with knives and other weapons is terrorizing the citizens of this city, as well as a few other urban centers. Those boys who have dared the government and want to tell us that they can take over the city and make it a city of crime, we have also heard you, and therefore we are coming, effective immediately. And we have taken measures to deal with the emerging crime trend in Nairobi. In this regard, the leadership and the command of the police has changed the command of the Nairobi City police deployment, effective immediately.